Hey there, how you doing? It's Joe Lewis with Southern Classic Realtors. If you are watching this video, it's because I recently just invited you to come out to the open house that we're having on June 26, 2022 in between 2 and 4 o'clock to take a look at this beautiful property. Okay, 160 Kings Place. Of course, it's in the Kingswood neighborhood, which is one of the most desirable subdivisions in Athens. Once again, in between 2 and 4 o'clock this Sunday, June 26th, I want to invite you to come on by. We are going to have finger foods. It's going to have light refreshments, and we're going to have a good time. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to go ahead and follow us, go ahead and click the subscribe. And I look forward to meeting you hopefully on June 26th in between 2 and 4 o'clock this Sunday. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.